Never Never by Colleen Hoover and Tarryn Fisher, a twisting romantic suspense. Never Never is a captivating collaboration between two of the most revered authors in contemporary fiction, Colleen Hoover and Tarryn Fisher. This novel weaves a narrative that delves into the complexities of memory, love, and the intricate web of secrets that bind two people together. With a mix of romance, suspense, and mystery, Never Never is a page-turner that keeps readers on the edge of their seats. Here, we explore the engrossing plot, the vivid characters, and the profound themes and learnings that resonate throughout the book. Plot summary. The story begins with a gripping premise. Two high school students, Charlie Winwood and Silas Nash, find themselves in a bewildering situation. They are inexplicably stripped of their memories, standing amidst the familiar yet foreign surroundings of their school. The only thing they know for certain is that they are deeply connected, having been best friends since childhood and romantically involved for the past 4 years. However, the loss of their memories leaves them as strangers to themselves and each other, setting the stage for a thrilling narrative. As Charlie and Silas embark on a quest to unravel the mystery behind their amnesia, they discover that their families are embroiled in a feud, one that may hold the key to their predicament. Their investigation leads them to uncover hidden truths and buried secrets that challenge their understanding of love and loyalty. With time running out, as their memories threaten to reset every 48 hours, they must work together to piece together their past and discover the reason behind their recurring amnesia. Character analysis. Charlie Winwood. Charlie is portrayed as a strong-willed and independent character. Despite her confusion and vulnerability, she displays resilience and determination in the face of adversity. Her journey throughout the novel is one of self-discovery, as she grapples with the duality of her past self and the person she wishes to become. Silas Nash. Silas is depicted as compassionate and protective, with an unwavering commitment to unraveling the mystery of their lost memories. His deep-seated love for Charlie propels him forward, even when faced with daunting revelations about his family and himself. Silas' character showcases the power of love and trust in overcoming seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Themes and learnings. The nature of identity. Never Never explores the concept of identity through the lens of memory loss. Charlie and Silas struggle to understand who they are without their memories raises thought-provoking questions about the essence of identity. The novel suggests that identity is not solely defined by past experiences but is also shaped by choices and actions in the present. The power of love and forgiveness. At its core, Never Never is a love story that emphasizes the transformative power of love and forgiveness. Charlie and Silas' journey is a testament to the idea that love can transcend obstacles, heal wounds, and forge new paths. The novel highlights the importance of forgiving oneself and others to move forward and build a brighter future. Family and legacy. The book delves into the complexities of familial relationships and the impact of family legacies. The feud between Charlie and Silas' families serves as a backdrop to the story, illustrating how past grievances can shape the present. Never Never encourages readers to reflect on the influence of family dynamics and the potential for change and reconciliation. The quest for truth. The narrative is driven by Charlie and Silas' relentless pursuit of truth. Their investigation into the cause of their amnesia uncovers hidden secrets and challenges their preconceived notions. The novel underscores the importance of seeking truth, even when it is uncomfortable or challenging, as a means of achieving personal growth and understanding. Resilience in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.